another car vlog. I get requests for car vlogs. I get requests for car vlogs a lot. I'm actually going somewhere, so I thought it would be a great opportunity to take advantage since, you know, we've been locked down since 2020. So I just thought I would give like maybe some updates and things like that, and just chittity chat for a little bit about some things that are going on. So work is going really good. I've been trying to find some remedies, I guess. I have been really struggling with being overly tired, like overly tired. And no, I do not have COVID. I actually believe I had COVID in February of 2020. If you want my whole story about that, I can do that, but just let me know. Sometimes I feel like we hear about it so much, we don't want to hear about it. But I've been struggling a lot with just feeling so overly tired, like not being able to get through the day, just wanting to sleep. If you watch any of my other, I've mentioned it a million times, I do pre-film. So some of what you are seeing, like when I film, I could film up to 15 videos in a day. I think I have a catalog of about 40 videos that can go up anytime they're ready to go. And then if something comes up like a PR or a collab, then I would bump them. But the collabs are going well, they're tapering down. I'm so happy that I did the collabs. It is different in terms of filming because, like I said, I pre-film because A, I have ADHD, so I know something's gonna get off somewhere. And so I'm always prepared to make sure that I have videos at least for a week, although I upload more, but my for a week. But when you're collabing with someone, it's like on their time frame, you know, you have to meet in the middle in terms of like time frames, you know, it's like a group project. So it's not just like on my time frame. So it did stress me out a little bit, not in a bad way, but you know, it was stressful because I just wanted it to go well. But I'm so happy with the collabs that I've done so far. I'm going to be doing a little compilation video of the collabs. So in case anybody's missed any, or I just want to make sure I give them the full shout out, that'll be coming soon. So that's what's going on with that. And so yeah, I've been struggling with my energy level. I did get some tests, and I did find out that my vitamin D levels are pretty low. So I'm on this like heavy dose of vitamin D3. I'm hoping that will kick in. I always really notice my energy shifts because I'm pretty hyper, so if that is not apparent in my everyday life, then I know that there's something wrong. I remember as a kid, my mom, you know, like you know, I'm in my 40s, so people didn't know as much as they know now. But I remember my mom talking to the doctor about, you know, me being hyper. The doctor just said that as I grow up, essentially I'll grow out of it. But I haven't. So I'm working on that. I've also put on a little bit of weight, which, you know, it's just winter, it's COVID, like you can't go anywhere or do anything. So I've been struggling a little bit with that, and I know that that's probably contributing as well to me being tired. But I'm working on all of that. My birthday's coming up in 2 weeks. I will be 44. I can't believe it. It's like when I sit around and think about being 44, or like I just didn't really understand what my life would be like in my 40s. So I know a lot of people have been wanting me to do like 44 things I've learned in 44 years. So I may do that coming up soon. Potentially I would do that on a live. I'm so bad at doing lives because I just am not that scheduled. I'll either do a video or do a live or do something, but I will try to get that up. And I'll be seeing Kit Kat a lot more in my upcoming videos. She has just come to really enjoy being in the room with me when I'm filming, and being all in the wigs, eating wigs, tipping them over. She's just such a curious kitten. She's just, she's about a year. I got her a year ago in March, and she was about 4 or 5 months old. But so she's still crazed, and she's adorable. I love her. But you're gonna see Kit Kat. I was editing videos, and I noticed Kit Kat's in a lot more videos. Yeah, and then the only other thing is just like, I have a lot planned. I have a lot of great stuff coming up. I feel like I want to do more like comparison videos, like maybe color comparisons or wig style comparisons. But what do you want to see on my channel? Like, what would you find helpful in terms of different types of videos outside of the reviews? I have brought name brand wigs to my channel to review synthetic, like Jean Renault, Renee Paris. I know that some people find their prices to be a bit high, and that's completely understandable. But I really thought about it, and I thought most of what I do is affordable, and I am really trying to be inclusive and multicultural, and a lot of women who watch my channel, they buy those types of wigs, and that's the type of wigs they're looking for. And so I wanted to bring them to, to my channel to add something. I'm always trying to add to my channel. But I did just do a video on how to get name brand wigs way cheaper, so I'm still on the affordable train, always. But yeah, so that's what I have. So let me know down below, like, what your thoughts are in terms of what do you want to see on the channel, what kind of videos would be helpful, and how you're doing in 2021. It's been almost a year that we've been sort of locked down. So like, how you doing? How's it working out? Like, how are you, coping and getting through it? And if you like car vlogs, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so.